Bubbabop. Hey little explorers, today we're in a misty forest looking for a giant skeleton. Hey, what's that up ahead? It's a vampire. Maybe he can help us. The vampire said if we can complete 2 of his challenges, he'll give us some magic which will help us find the giant skeleton. Shall we try the first challenge? Great, let's go! For this challenge, we need to dodge all of the pumpkins. Are you ready? Set, go! Move to the left. Now move to the right. Duck. Duck again. Move to the left. Move to the right. Duck. Move to the left. Duck. Move to the right. Great job, little explorers. We completed the challenge. Awesome. The vampire's given us some yellow magic. Now it's time for the next challenge. For this challenge, we need to collect all the shapes. Are you ready? Set, go! Quick, get the circles. Jump. Great, now we need to collect the squares. Jump. Awesome. Now here come the rectangles. Jump. Great. Now it's time for the triangles. Jump. Great! Now we need to get the hexagons. Jump. Great job, little explorers. We completed the challenge. Look, the vampire has given us some blue magic. Now it's time to find the secret cauldron. Look, there it is, the secret cauldron. Let's throw our magic inside. First the yellow one, now the blue one. Oh look, something's happening. Huh? What was that? It's the giant skeleton! Run! Hurry, he's catching up. Phew, it looks like we lost him. Uh-oh, he's coming back. We need to run faster. Phew, that was a close one. Uh-oh, he's back again. The giant skeleton's caught up to us. But wait, what's that in the distance? Oh look, it's a Halloween party. The giant skeleton just wanted to dance. And you can join in too. If you enjoyed this video, keep watching for a skeleton spelling challenge. We need to spell the word skeleton, but all the letters are mixed up. What do you think the first letter in the word skeleton is? It sounds like this. S. Correct. The first letter in the word skeleton is S. What could the second letter be? It sounds like this. K. Correct. It's K. What could the third letter be? It sounds like this. E. Correct. The third letter in the word skeleton is E. What could the fourth letter be? It sounds like this. L. Correct. It's L. What could the fifth letter be? It sounds like this. E. Correct. It's E. What could the sixth letter in the word skeleton be? It sounds like this. T. Correct. It's T. What could the seventh letter be? It sounds like this. O. Correct. It's O. What could the last letter in the word skeleton be? It sounds like this. N. Correct. The last letter in the word skeleton is N. Great job, little explorers. We spelled the word skeleton. S-K-E-L-E-T-O-N. Skeleton. Great job. Tune in next time for the next adventure. Goodbye. Bubbabop. Please subscribe for the latest videos.